Uber stock is down nearly 30% from its highs. Yet Wall Street analysts believe the stock could rally more than 46% from current levels. So what's really happening with Uber? Is this a buying opportunity or is the stock headed even lower? In this video, we'll break down Uber's technical analysis, fundamentals, recent news, and the key price levels investors need to watch. Let's get started. Uber is no longer just a ride-sharing company. Today, Uber operates across three major businesses: mobility, ride-sharing, delivery, Uber Eats, freight and logistics. The company has become one of the world's largest transportation platforms, serving millions of users globally. Despite strong financial performance, Uber stock has fallen from above $100 to around $72. Here are the main reasons. 1. Profit-taking after a massive rally. Uber was one of the best-performing large-cap stocks over the past few years. After reaching record highs, many investors decided to lock in profits, creating heavy selling pressure. 2. Concerns about future growth. Although Uber continues growing, some investors expected even stronger guidance. Any sign of slowing growth can trigger short-term selling in high-growth stocks. 3. Robotaxi competition fears. Companies like Tesla and Waymo are aggressively developing autonomous vehicles. Some investors worry that robotaxis could eventually disrupt Uber's traditional driver-based business model. However, Uber is taking a different approach by partnering with autonomous vehicle companies instead of competing directly. 4. Technical breakdown. After losing key support levels near its highs, momentum traders and institutions began reducing positions. This accelerated the stock's correction. Now let's look at the numbers. Uber currently has revenue over $52 billion, net income more than $10 billion, EPS $4.10, market cap around $146 billion, PE ratio about 17.7. These numbers are impressive. A PE ratio below 20 for a company still growing revenue at double-digit rates is considered attractive by many investors. What's even more impressive is that Uber has transformed from a money-losing company into a highly profitable business. Uber recently reported strong operating results. Highlights include revenue growth remained solid, gross bookings continued rising, trip volume increased significantly, EBITDA reached new highs. The company also continues investing heavily in its autonomous driving future. Recent Robotaxi partnerships and expansion plans suggest Uber wants to become the platform connecting autonomous vehicle providers with customers. Instead of fighting robotaxis, Uber wants to profit from them. That could be a huge long-term advantage. Let's examine the chart. Major support zone. The most important support area is between $68 and $70. This zone has acted as a strong floor for the stock. If Uber remains above this level, bulls stay in control. Major resistance levels. First resistance is $80. A breakout above $80 could attract momentum buyers. The next major resistance is $90 to $100. This is where previous selling pressure appeared. The biggest signal investors should watch is a breakout above $80. If Uber can close above that level and hold it, the stock could begin a new uptrend. Potential targets include $90 to $100, analyst average target $105, and in an extremely bullish scenario driven by Robotaxi success, $120 to $150. Analyst opinion according to analyst forecasts, average price target $105, upside potential about 46%, highest target $150, lowest target $70. The majority of analysts currently rate Uber as a strong buy. So, is Uber stock a buy? Fundamentally, Uber looks stronger than ever. The company is profitable, growing, and investing in future technologies like autonomous transportation. Technically, the stock is still recovering from a correction and needs to break above $80 to confirm a new bullish trend. For long-term investors, current prices may offer an attractive risk-reward opportunity. But for traders, waiting for technical confirmation could be the safer approach. The next few months may determine whether Uber heads back toward $100 or continues consolidating near current levels. What do you think about Uber stock? Will it reach $100 again, or could robotaxi competition become a major threat? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this analysis, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more stock market analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.